want to talk to you about a couple of things. One, in the context of your growth, development, and unfoldment that you're participating in, that you're generating a field around, I want you to understand about Kensho, and I want you to understand about Satori. There are moments in which we are little by little by little eradicating the filters, the obstructions, the hindrances against us seeing what life really is, seeing reality. Reality with a capital R. Sometimes it seems like it's taking a long time. That's called Kensho. In other words, there's a deliberate letting go of the filters, deliberate letting go of that that is hindering us from fully participating in life. And then there's something called Satori. That's an aha moment. That's a radical insight where suddenly, eureka, you know what you have believed previously. That which you have believed, you suddenly got it. Oh my God, I finally see it. I've been hearing this for so long. I now know it, I now feel it, I now see it. So there's Kensho, which is the slow unfoldment, the slow letting go of that which is hindering us, and then there is Satori. Now all of us go back and forth between the two. You may be participating in your spiritual growth, development, and unfoldment. It feels like nothing is happening, but when you look back, you read back on your journals, and you realize the person that wrote something previously a few months ago does not exist anymore. There's been a slow releasing of that which does not serve you, the releasing of the filters. Kensho has taken place. And sometimes, many of us have moments where there's been a sudden insight, a revelation. We're no longer the same. We cannot unsee what we have seen, and it affects our life forever. Now, what I want to bring to you today is that there are areas in your life that you consider weak points, you consider hindrances, liabilities. And then there are other areas in your life where they are assets. You feel like they add to your life, they're life enhancing. So you have weaknesses and you have strengths. What I want you to begin to catch is those weaknesses are really your strengths in embryonic states. Life is everywhere in its fullness. And so what you consider a strength is just something that's undeveloped. It's something that hasn't come to its fruition yet, but it is still a strength there waiting to express itself. Now, how do we activate those strengths that you're now calling weaknesses? I want you to think about the areas of your life that when you think of these areas, you feel strong in these areas. You vibrate high in these areas. Perhaps you have a tremendous amount of confidence. Perhaps your body temple is very strong. Perhaps you're very creative. Perhaps on the weak side, you feel like there's scarcity in your life, there's lack. Perhaps you feel like, for some reason, you don't really love and appreciate yourself. You have a lack of self-esteem, and so there's a lower frequency there. What you have to know is, one, you are a vibrational being. You are a thought idea held in the mind of the universe. You are a vibration. Then you are an electrical being. Then you are a chemical being. But primarily, you're vibrational. So everything within you is vibrating. The thoughts you have are vibrational frequencies at a very rapid high pace or slow down. You can be in the alpha range, or you can be in the beta range of thinking. Now here's the deal. You can actually embrace an area of your life where you are vibrating very high, and you can begin to feel into that. And you can begin to take that vibration and shift it over into an area where you feel very low. It's called energetic shape shifting. So you can take, perhaps you feel confident, perhaps you feel very creative. How do you feel when you think about that? There's an expansion. And then when you think about an area where you're weak, there's a contraction. But you can take the area where you're strong and mentally begin to see that vibration going into the area of seeming weakness and begin to feel the expansion. So you're actually activating the strength that's already there, but it's in its incipiency, its embryonic state. It's not quite developed. And you can begin to feel strong where there's an apparent weakness. Let's do it right now. Close your eyes. I'm going to guide you. Put your attention on an area of strength in your life and feel the expansion when you think about that area of your life. Just place your attention there. Take a deep breath. Release the sound of ah. Ah. And feel the expansion when you consider the area of strength. Now, as you're considering the area of strength, mentally shape-shift that vibration into the seeming area of weakness. Do not allow yourself to contract. Take a breath. Deep breath. Release the sound of ah. Ah. And place that vibration right where the area of weakness is. So you're feeling strong in the area of seeming weakness. You are a vibrational being. So the vibration of strength is now invading the seeming area of contraction. And since you are a feeling vibrational being, we are activating the strength in what appears to be weakness. Now, take another breath, deep breath. Feel the vibration of expansion. Feel yourself strong in that area. And right now, allow for a mental picture to come into your mind as to what you look like on strength, and what you look like vibrating high. Just a little mental picture. So you have the mental picture, you have the feeling, and you have the technology. I want you to practice that. And you will either have Kensho, a slow removal of limiting filters, or you'll have a Eureka, Satori experience. Oh, I see myself as I really am. I want you to go for it. I want you to feel into it. You are a vibrational, feeling being. You have dominion over your own awareness. And you are here to set yourself free, or to set yourself on fire. And the world will come watch you burn. Peace and richest blessings.